Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Pelican Man here, and we're doing another review. Today we have the carbon fiber air induction system by SAAS. This is going to be great. To start off, we are going to open it with keys, and this is going into the VT column we have. We gotta do that again. Hang on. There we go. Right there. Get this gloss off. We are not doing that again. And we're going to open it up. To reveal what I've been looking for a couple of months now. That's how we open it. Sweet. This thing is massive. So I got our tubular system here. It smells like plastic. With multiple sizes. Here's one. Here's two. That's probably to clamp on where the clamp is. Here's three. Yay. Now this. Then we got a smaller one for smaller inductions. Then we've got the big boy. Oh, and we got this little piece here. That's to bracket it down. It goes around here. Now, what's in this? I hear you ask. It's a carbon fiber. It's probably plastic. It looks like carbon fiber. Our intake system, as you can see here. Red. Very great. Now, I believe we unbolt this, and this to take that out, but I'm not going to do that today. We are going to set this up. So, I'm going to put this. I believe this is all I have to do. I'm going to go to the commie now and get it installed. Stop recording and get this airbox out. But all you have to do is take out these 3 notches here. It's pretty simple. What we'll do after we pop that thing out, and there will be another little piece on it. That one, which just has little 2 rivet holes in here, and a little that will be in there in that little slice piece. So now what we do is clean out that, give it a little tap out, and we install this bad boy, which is what we want. Yes, boys. The part I needed and didn't record me installing it, but just for all those who want this is the SAAS carbon air fuel tank. Blows in through there, gets in, comes in through here, through the flow sensor in there. Now I am currently missing the air tank. It does not affect the performance at all. I will do a test drive to show you guys. I'll do a drive to show you guys what it's like. Those curious what size this bit is, you're working with a VT Commodore, VT VX VY. This bit here is 86 mils, but you can get away with a 90 mil, and this bit here is, at that black bit there is a 76, but you can get away with a 75. That cost me $10 from Mighty 10. But make sure it's all lined up, and it does pump in and out. So that's the intake system. It's not that hard to do. You just gotta bolt on, bolt in. Pretty pretty simple, does make a heck of a performance, and makes a sound difference. We're going 0 to 40. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you for watching my video. It took a while recording this and getting all the parts that I needed. I enjoyed it. So I did end up getting from 10 seconds from 13 seconds, doing that strip a few times. I know that's just how fast my car goes. It takes about 13 seconds to get to 100 from 40 Ks. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone that watched. Hope you like and subscribe. I've got more cartoons coming out. If you guys like this content and want to see more of it, let me know, because I'm happy to keep installing things to my car. I've got, more things I want to do to it anyway, like rims and stuff. Let me know in the comments what you want to see, or if you like my cartoons. It's been Pelican Man. Have a lovely day.